Did you know you can watch our self-help videos in Spanish and many other languages? Well, you can, and here's how.
Start by going to the Self-Help section on Park Industries' website. Browse or search to find your desired video and pick it. Choose to acknowledge the safety disclaimer, and then click to play the video. And you can choose to view it full screen if you'd like. Then the first thing we'll do is turn on closed captioning by clicking on the icon. The closed captioning is usually defaulted to English, like mine, but we can click on the settings icon as suggested to change this English text to Spanish. So we'll click on Settings and then Subtitles Closed Captioning, which is currently set to English. But we'll choose Auto Translate to be able to select one of the many different languages to translate to. For this example, I'll select Spanish to translate to instead, so I can enjoy the rest of the video.
Thank you for watching. Now you know what I know. One more thing. Did you know that we have hundreds of resources available on our website for machine training and service? To find them, go to parkindustries.com. Thank you for choosing Park Industries.